Sanibonani guys, how you guys? Welcome to my office. Igama lami uJoseph bangangazi, I'm a storyteller, ngikhuluma istories zenzeke life. If une story ongakhona ukusharela anybody around you, unga inbox ku TikTok ngikusendela inamba la wena ungazi senda khona istory sakho, then mina ngize ngapha ngize nendlebe wena uze nendaba then ngize ngapha ngizosipostela abalali bethu. Okay, story time. Sesisotho sisunele unele angibhalela uAushozi ngifila hore nako ya kaMolfaseng ifedile ngifisa ukuthi ngazisuse emhlabeni because ayikho into engisayiphilelayo at this point because of the decisions sekitsereng kabuphilo baka inkabuphilo bangwanaka. Okay, usisi uAushozi na ngifundile but ngathola umsebenzi through cousin wami, so kabe sengcina sengi-admin kwesinye isikolo, so wabona so akile admin, so bekune project yenzakalayo lapho esikoleni bengisebenzela khona, so kwabe sekuza ubabu Jian, so ubabu Jian kwabe sekuza ubabu Jian, so bekazoqedelela indaba yakhe kahle kahle no principal wethu because of ubabu Jian ibe kuyitenda yakhe eyenza whatever project beyenzakala esikolweni, yabona. So uthi awushozi makafika ubabu Jian ufike officeini vele uthola mina ngibulisa ntombazana unjani, yabona siyakhuluma vele uba like wabona muthu afletha ngilo wena hore uba jwang vele ubhizi vele ufletha nami uthi vele ngiyambeka vele ngiyambona hore ke muthu achelete like muthu achelete umona le munkwati ngoku oke munkwachelete, yabona. Uthi awushozi to be honest now mina ubabu Jian beyangasi type yami or ngathi nana le singiphumele ngaphandle, so bengasi type yami lo muntu lo like mina naye must see me together nje unobona or if ke mo date ke mdate chelete le dizo ka ngenzisa ngitsona, other than that like he's not my type. Hayi sharp uthi ubabu Jian ahambe vele office la ngimkhombi office la principal avela afike vele akhulume no principal bacetha indaba yabo maybe after boma 1 to 2 hours, so aphume vele office la principal makaphuma kube ukuthi vele ubrothers ufuna ukukhuluma nami, principal yamkhipha bathi umkhipha principal makajika umuntu awuye vele office kube ngathi ukhohle something. Hawu ngithi babu Jian kanti ungahamba ngilobona athi no angeke ngize ngihambe ngibone wena, so bengicela ukuthi ungiphi inamba yakho sisikhuluma, yabona. So what I was choosing ngimfile kale intentions jaworo okay kumunja chelete faila azange ngicabanga ukuthi indaba yethu ngazifike ekudeni, ngilobona uthi hayi ngimuphe vele inamba ubrothers vele makethi ngile modweni vela ngifonele to make ngizosho ukuthi inamba le iyo ngicine because babhiza ukuthi ngiphi inamba yamanga ngiphi inamba yamanga, so abe ngithi like if never ngakuphi inamba yamanga yakuthi ngisebenza kuphi uve sizongithola la mangifuna, yabona. Uthi angifonele athi ke khatlhegile ke bonele blomo itse ke khatlhekile bengicela manje ukuthi ungiphi chance ke tlo ahla taba le wena, yabona. Usisi uthi avela azangale awushozi bekina le motho by then but opportunity la hayiwani, so I had to use that opportunity, yabona. So uthi awushozi hayi vele kube ukuthi vele mina nobabu Jian sahlangana rakopana awushozi babu Jian like not interesting, and beside like the way nalikateng now see yathi babona abantu abanemali bathanda uba boastful bakhulume ngemali the whole time akancane nawe uthi ubabu Jian bayangakhulumi ngemali bekazikhuluma ngaye ukhule kanjani uthanda abantu abanjani no wena usingile akanamuntu abantu izinto ezinjalo like akhuluma as a normal person naye ukuthi umuntu olenko status ngise all awushozi ntate Jian ukena isikolo unalebo di PhD ling like ukena isikolo na the only thing kena longa like diploma and this course akake sa cut and paste ntate Jian lela sikho awushozi sikhosa net saw lawyer, ubona. Uthi ngibona ukuthi muslim umuntu lophila kamnandi kira una girlfriend athi no angina girlfriend I had this lady bengithandana naye kanti uyasithu time nomunye umuntu, so mina ngathi umuntu akuthathe mina ngizawuyela emuva ngabe sengiyazikhipha ke, so that's why ngilesengile or awushozi next I believe anything ubaba ayikhulumayo babu Jian because of ngilobona abantu nabachalete phela babatla into one if awukafanele into yanyakanga batlamayile ke dinonyana ushalo tshwere mafofa, yabona. Uthi hayi ubaba Jian vele sikhulume vele sibe ukuthi siyaqeda uyangikhapha la ngihlala khona no problem umonati sa communicator sa WhatsApp sisaqalekela sa sextana, ngilobona to an extent ukuthi babu Jian vele manje sathi mina ngifuthi indaba yethu ibe official like obe muthu waka 1 minute wabona ngiyacela ura awushozi by then mina nginomuntu sengicabanga indaba yakho ukuthi lo munye bekaba 2 time abo 2 so le na horror kabangizoba ngizowenza the same thing as lo sisebamyeka ngimtshela ukuthi ay mina nginomuntu but indaba yethu ayuqwalitswa inyana so I think ukuthi ngizokutshela masele ngifree ukuthi we can continue ubaba uJan athi mina ngifuna umuntu if ufuna ukuba nami ngizokupha i-time frame 2 months and then from there if ever ukontrola nomuntu wakho uzaqhubeka mina ngempilo yami ngisifunele umuntu wami umaqondana wami hayi awushozi ngibona ukuthi manje ngizodlula umuntu onemali ukuthi umuntu osebenza umlungu lo phela uyasebenza oyimela invoice kilobona uri awushozi kube ukuthi ngiyalo sebenza umlungu ngimiyeke vele ngimdrophe like a hot potato ngikishanele phela ntatejiyane phela kimo 2010 ndabona uri awushozi hayi isikhathi masihamba ubaba uJan vele angitshela ama intentions wakhe ukuthi you know what now I want to marry you ngibatla unyala uthi leso sikhathi sesina 8 months vele really uthi angitshela athi ngicela ukuthumela amandwendwe ekini yabona uthi at first awushuzine bekina the whole time mangimvakashela lahlala khona like bengizo check evidence ukuthi akunazinwele awuna toothbrush enyana awuna kaminyana or ma slippers yabona uthi azange ngizithole konke lokho like indawo yakhe beyiclean beyahlala endaweni decent nesandilothile so ngabona ukuthi lo muntu lo kahle unalinet uthi makakhuluma ngendaba zamandwendwe hayi vele azange ngifuna ukujika ngabe sengiyavuma ke ngifoma abasekhaya hayi vele ubaba uJan vele yenza izinto eziright akhokhe acede kube ukuthi siplana i-white wedding or awushozi sayiplan i-white wedding linyalo laka like lelipila or awushozi everything awulengwanyana uyidreama hore nyala hole bekamkho uthi umshado wami omuhle from deco to the goloi to my dress like everything about my wedding beyinhle arintatole like onkla impress akalinyalo laka athi ama real feelings wami aqale ngelanga lomshado or bengimthanda lo muntu lo but bengimthanda lokuthi arina kutse after like kalinyalo laka the way ngenza sho ukuthi everything ngiyifuna yokulisting iba khona that's when ngafalla in love ke nobhuti uthi hayi vele umshado uphela ushozi simove in le together mina no brothers uthi hayi kufika isikhathi ukuthi ubrothers athi hey mina phela anginangane and isikhathi sihambile so let's try for umntwana ngilobona or awushozi already bengisele ngiready or ngaba mme to someone because nambe nganamntwana uthi hayi sizame awushozi sizama ukwenza umntwana oqala uthi sizame masizama umntwana ibe ne uthi awushozi kebele le baby za ectopic pregnancy shuthu iqanda ke libe fertilized ku-fallopian tube kasisi uthola ukuthi vele yena aka understand uthola ke cramp until ubaba uJan athi ayisamseki dodini so bona ukuthi kwenzakalani ngawo kanti usisi beya pregnant beyangasiboni and iqanda libe fertilized ke ku-fallopian tube abafika lapha yana but no we need to operate because mayingabhasta lana uzoshona obona shabu ke ku theater bang operate bakhathe itube yami A1 ngisale ngetube A1 uthi hayi vele like gibe traumatized is my first child angazi ukuthi kwenzeke ne wrong or awushoze abantu babantu like repelevela ko witchcraft thing and selingicaba ukuthi bangithakathile or something ngoba sengine stress uthi ubaba uJan like he was there for me all the way angikhapha kumcounseling because afuna ukuthi ngibe right yabona or awushoze mangitshela umama athi you know what mina ngi-advise ukuthi izama futhi kusese fresh so ukuthi khona uthola umunye umntwana hayi ukuthi ngithi umntwana kusho lo bothi am creator shonile uzo replace lo but ukuthi khona uphola udlule kule sigaba ukiso because ngasazi ukuthi it's difficult or awushozi hayi kube ukuthi vele ngithi nobaba uJan asame futhi uthi hayi sizame awushozi rezame labo bethu or rezama kamatlamodimo ngibe pregnant hayi vele mangiyotesta ngibe pregnant uthi sihambe ka doctor udoctor sitshela ukuthi you know what na 12 weeks pregnant but linda sibone ukuthi uyaphuma like go isigabeni lesesirisk obonisa pregnancy first trimester okay sharp awushozi gibe ukuthi from there ubaba uJan ungicashela vele umuntu ozosebenza akasafuna ukubambe next awushozi ngaba iqanda le Grootman or ntatola like 100 abarikimile like kwaba olrato lenhanzana lelona ke sinasilo ke letjena ke le neli ke letjena uthi wangithanda umuntu wangithanda yazi wangithanda ukumisela uthi hayi vele kaMatlamo ndimo awusithozi ngiyenze i-full term pregnancy ngibe nomntwana uNkulunkulu angiblesse ngomntwana intombazana. Hayi awushozi ngwana abeteng ngwana wanyana uthi umuntu vele aspoile vele rotten or antatejana unspoile umntwana amakhulu emakathi 3 years babujana athi no what asilamise lo muntu lo ngeke umntwana abe solayiwani awushozi sizame futhi umntwana sizame futhi masama futhi vele ngikhethe ngithi ngenza home pregnancy test ukuthi pregnant awushozi obe excitement ama cramps lawa ngiphathe ecaleni angiphathe futhi anthware happy ngimtshela babujana ukuthi you know what I think we need to go to the doctor because ngifila the same way lesasakade ecaleni uthi masiya vele ka doctor awushozi tholakala ukuthi vele still na ectopic pregnancy ke bangijube i-fallopian tube lami yoqina qinqe kusho ukuthi if ngizoba nomntwana fanele ngibe nomntwana through isurrogacy yabona awushozi like kube izindaba like it obe trauma kilobona like obe pain ekidlule nkomathoma ngalo ibo happy kibe traumatized but ngisizawuthi because of uNkulunkulu ngiphe this rainbow baby let me concentrating neze uthando lami lonke umntwaneni uthi babujana naye kube the same thing awushozi ntatola ngwana rena namthori like leyi athi awushozi labe sihlala khona we moved saya kuma estates ke lawa aseras ke wasesilungwini lawa seras awushozi kaberodula mo babujana wangithengela imoto brand new car like everything yakani holy top of the notch like bengeke ungibona ukuthi angisebenzi because mangiba pregnant umntwana babujana wathi no umsebenzi because I don't want ukuthi umntwana affecteke in a way to stress ukuthi uhlala phansi the whole day nakweteli oba athi ngayike umsebenzi uthi leso sikhathi ngingasasebenzi umuntu bekenza sure ukuthi everything that I need kinayo kinale khata yakhe nalengchelete uthi everything I was just bekisa sohlekeselo uthi bengikhona ukusupporta nasekithi ngintshe ngingasebenzi I uthi isikhathi sihambe awushoza umntwana ethu athi 12 athi 13 athi 14 athi 15 awushoza umntwana wami ungene ikolo ezitop nathi naleli bana babathu babaserious dikolo tsedileng expensive uthi bekangena lapho umntwana makathi 15 awushoza you know what every child makacala aphatha stage like kuba le change of behavior uhlala sivalele ekamareni akasafuna uhlala nani downstairs like access umntwana loya like bekathanda ukukhuluma ngezinto eziningi makafika ufaka ama headset uya ku kamareni or the way like makacala vele athi 12 13 ucala vele wabala kanjalo uthi no problem awushozi one time ngihambile ngesalon ngimshiye endlini nobaba uthi ngibashiye endlini mina ngihambile ngesalon so mangifika esalon ngithola ukuthi you know what bengifuna ukudlula etolo there is this dress I bought kwenye boutique so I wanted to go and exchange le dress ngithola ukuthi hayi ngikhohliwe ngithi ay before bangenze inwele because angifuthi bangenze sekulate ngorasha le let me go back ngifethe the dress and then ngihambe nge-exchange mangiyesalon ngawuthi mangisuye esalon ngiya straight endlini or awushap awushozi I'm driving back because bona bayazi ukuthi mangisaloni ngihamba kuma 3 to 4 hours angibuyi masinga uthi awu mangibuya awushozi like ngiyatsena because ngizitshela ukuthi baba ngizomthola ku study because uhlala ku study mangidlula ngeroomini angimboni ukuthi ukuphi hawu ngiyabheka angimboni ngithi amangitshela ugele ukuthi hayi bengizolanda i-dress yami ngiyajika or awushozi akibula munyako kukamareng ngiyangwana ne uthi ngithola ubabujana uyaphakama ubheke like usisi uthi uyangena ngibekise kanjani uNkulunkulu wami usisi uthi uyangena yabona so the bed yomntwana this side and then go bedeng mo kamona leli window yabona so umnyango ungapha uthi mangingena awushozi ubabujana ungapha wathi wabheke ewindweni arene ke mmona ari kulona motho ummona or ubafale panta or uzipela broko ngimbona yenza kanjalo uthi ngibe puzzled and then umntwana olele engubu like always could my bed not inside the blanket but ugqoke ithrow uyabona uthi ngingene ngibe puzzled ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani uthi ngimbuza kanti nenzani yabona uthi hayi ngimela ngikubona ama driver in ngimelana uthi ngibona uzilungisa mase or awushozi ngizibuza ukuthi should I ask him or what wabona uthi ngizibuze le question ukuthi ngibuza kanti nenzani uthi umntwana amazange asho nekusuvela wathatha ingubo or ayibiya so like komula lengafumula uthi ngamtshela hayi bengizothatha irock ngifuna ukushintsha so bengilikhohliwe uthi ngahamba or awushozi like mangidriver ne uthi mangisa like bengishaya iradio ku full blast ngiluthelele music kwakho ku radar uthi mangijika bengasasishaya music kuthi like bekuthulile emotweni ngisibuza ukuthi lo baba lo unyobela lo mntwana oyimi ngiimagine izinto but the way babujana thana ngakhona umntwana ethu I don't think ukuthi into so angayenza or ngisibuza ngiziphendula uthi ngiziphendula uthi azange ngisayolitshentsha nelo roko lelo awusithozi or azange ngisayikilodira le modira angihamba ngayo coffee shop ngafika nhlala phansi nga order coffee ngizibuza ama question uthi after isikhathi ngabela endlini or awusithozi from lelo langa bengisuspect ukuthi ubaba lo man unyonyobele lo mntwana wabona uthi hayi isikhathi sihambe ubaba ayendlini the following day uthi maka ayimsebenzini wakhe awusithozi ngibuza umntwana ukuthi izolo babakho bekayenza le kamereni lakho uthi umntwana abambela ayeke uthi ngithi kuye ngithi ngitshela if there is something wrong ayenze ngicela ukuthi ungitshele mntwana kwenzekini yabona why bengimbona ngathi uvalia ibrook mangene eminyango athi no go and ask your husband why ubuza mina wabona or awushozi kilibutsiso ngwana uthi ukenzile lokhu or just ukuthi ungipha attitude because of umntwana or awushozi umntwana nami igolweni eziserious like bophelo bo ngwana ka abu experiencing like ba very few abantwana ba experience hayi what I awushozi kube ukuthi umntwana uthi 16 amthathise ilenasi athi you know what I want to buy you a car uthi umntwana amajabule to extend ukuthi noma sengimbuza ngalelo langa angafuni ukukhuluma ngalo athi uthi umntwana athi go and ask your husband stop asking me about your husband yabona uthi angiphendule like that uri ashosikisole kisuspect umuntu mara mana umuntu ranto wrong yabona uthi every time angambuza lokho like vele uyasnap and we change like imuda yakhe ya change immediately uri ashozi one time sihleli nomyeni wami uthi vele uhappy excited siyaxoxa vele uthi sihleli ekamareni futhi kusemini uthi ngiyambuza ngithi jiyandelela ngamangifika la ngathola ngathi ngifika ngathi buzipela ibrook or imagination yami or yo awusithozi uthi kwaba ngathi ngivusa ibeast elele uthi kwaba ngathi ngivusa umunye umuntu engamazi uthi umuntu vele wacasuka athi ngicabanga kanjani uthi ngayenza kanjani into esonto nami yangihlanyela in or awusithozi umuntu esnepe from 0 to 100 and like from 0 to 1000 uthi angisnepe like this asavuke vele because besicabelele impedeni sibeltive athi ngithi asavuke vele nasempedeni athi uyangihlanyela yini izinto ozicabangalayo yini izinto ozicabangayo nje izinto ozicabangayo there is ukuthi ungasebenzi uhlala ucabanga izinto eziso oba what else was it that was the first time eminyakeni eminingi over 18 esengihlala nomyeni wami akhuluma le uyakhuluma ngakhona nami bekuqala ngibona lelo side like uthi ula ngabona khona ukuthi lo muntu lo ikhona into wrong ayenzi intwaneni hayi or awushozi nako yatsamaya umntwana mbele uba rebellious akasalaleli like awutlwelli even if nithi zotshela babakho athi kube ngwane uhore like awunanto ukare nguro umthushida kayona athuseleke bengekho uthi umntwana abe rebellious kube ukuthi one time esikoleni bayasifiza ukuthi babathole ema-toilet babhema and so bafuna expel so I had to ukuthi ngibiza ubabakhe siyoncenga esikoleni sincenga vele bangam expel or awushozi umwana rebulalena awutlwelle akangilalelwe futhi mina akangiboni nje angisolutho kuye uthi ubabakhe makakhuluma naye uvela athula ngamphenduli or awushozi ngibona ukuthi this thing like iba worse by isikhathi akalaleli uphuma esikolweni early uyabaleka esikolweni yazi izinto ezisnacks nje ezingayenzi abantwana umntwana ambe kakhona ukuzenza hayi or awushozi one time umntwana kwaba ukuthi ucela isleep over kumunye umngane wakhe so makacela ukusleep over afika lapha emnganeni ngathi like bebabonda boy-to bonding session yabantwana kulabona uthi amtshela athi yazi mina ngiphila nge-secret and siyangidla I don't know ukuthi ngasitshela ubani yabona utshela the child lo ayekuye ku sleep over so akamtshela ukuthi what's the secret uthi yamudla and I cannot share it no mama yabona uri awusithozi umntwana lo athathe le ndaba ayitshela umama wakhe uthi yo yazi uthi Dimpho mama lesasikhathi alele la uthi umama kaDimpho angibambe ngefoni athi sisi ngicela ukukhuluma nomntwana wakho because umntwana wakho uthi kunendaba yamudla emphathi kahle and then ufuna ukuthi angazibulala utshele umntwana ka sisi lo bekamvakashele so the sis uslo sisi lo uyangi umphathi for check your child uthi ufila ngathi akazibulala or awushozi nifike ngendlini uthi mangifike endlini ngithi Dimpho ngicela ukukhuluma nawe asikhulume mntwana yini into okudlayo ubona uri awusjozi ndimphaza ngaba yaxubu uthi umntwana angafuna ukukhuluma nami uthi awusjozi hayi kube ukuthi weekend my husband do a fly out for a business trip outside the country so uyahamba uthi mangihleli no husband isikhuluma indawo zakhe si trip ngimse ukuthi you know what nambe ngicabanga ukuthi sibe ne girls trip nama friends wami is it possible ngahamba na uthi vele ngimcele as my husband because ngizore ngitse permission kuyena because umntwana uyosala yi1 uthi angibuza udimpozo sanobani ngithi ema ngimcelele kuma ngamngani wakhe if umamngani wakhe uyavuma then ngiyakuthi ke I'm free to go sharp uthi hayi ngifonela uma friend immediately ukuthi no besicela ukuthi Dimpho azosala nomngane wakhe for a weekend bengicela nje ngoba uzozala for a weekend if ever it's possible ngikhulumele naye uthi my friend athi hayi no problem engeza azovakasha uthi hayi ibe kanjalo husband ayi ku business trip hayi nakidele ku girls trip mangihamba ngiyodropa uDimpho direct ekibo friend ngize ngikhulume nomama uthi hayi ngiyabonga nayi ipocket money kageli enezinto eshota intludoreka uthi hayi kube ukuthi kanjalo ke ngiyahamba kodwa awushozi mina mangiqeda uhamba maybe angahambanga more than 30 minutes drive uDimpho athi you know what yo shit I forgot izinto zami emotweni kaMama can I go back home ngirashe ngiyothatha pick up like amanities ne overnight bag yami ngikhohliwe wabona ngithola school bag salibuka fela uthi ngithi ukuthi ungasebenzisa izinto zomngane wakho ayina problem athi no I rather use my own stuff I do have a key ngicela ukuthi ungibolthele ngirashe then ngizabuya uthi umangani abolthele uDimpho thinking ukuthi uDimpho uyothatha izinto sawukhapha overnight bag high cause uthi ikhohle emotweni kaMama ufuna ubheka enye uthi hayi usisi maka friend afonele uMakaDimpho umntwana wakhe uthi ukhohle ibag yakhe so ngimbolthelile ora ayalate izinto zedingo cause uthi ikhohle lapha ebhuthini uthethe ischool bag phela uMakaDimpho athi ish enungathemba cause azange sengicheck emakahliki uthi awusjozi azange kachecka kaye imali nakachecka or shosho ushile overnight bag ebhuthini yabona uthi ngithi hayi no problem if ever umbolthelile uzokhona ukumbona akhona ubuya hayi kube kanjalo awusjozi or like maybe buma 45 minutes drive in angifonela usisi ukuthi umntwana wakho sensahambile akangabuyanga namanje uthi ngizamfonela uDimpho ngiyamfonela uDimpho aka-answer phone like kibethe kiltswalo ngiyane utlakra chabila likuba ningi let me drive back before ngihamba for me to be able ukuthi ngibone ngikhona ukumthole endlini if I want into snacks or enze party ngimketch yabona uthi hayi ngishaya u10 immediately ngidrivele back endlini ngimtshela uma friend ukuthi you know what let me drive back ngiyomchecka then if angimtholi kule ngiza cancel trip if ngiyamthola ngizombuyisa back ku sharp or awushozi hayi ke drive angifika endlini ngingene mangena vele ku front door umuntu vela kangakhiyanga uthi hayi ngibele ngiyaza ngigijima uthi futhi ngirashile ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi lo mntwana lozongithina uthi unsisa lizatsi uthi vele ngiyagijima ngithi upstairs ngihambisa Dimpho yabona uthi hayi umuntu vela akayenza uthi vele ngiyahamba uthi ngigibela ama steps then ngiyaphasije ngiyajika ngiyale uthi mangijika ngiyabona like ngathi like I floor iyashine ngathi kemethi uyabona uthi ngiyabona kemethi uthi demo ngibandamele ngiyabona ngathi mara amanzi lawo ngathi are pinkish ngathi are red wabona uthi mangithi ngiyabona ukuthi avela emnyangweni kaDimpho ekamereni kaDimpho or awushozi ngiyarasha ngivula ikamera la kaDimpho angithi uthi mangivula umnyango like metsake sengimadi uthi amanzi agcwele igazi uthi cholo ubured or awushozi ngigijima ngithi epaveni mangithi epaveni umntwana wami uvulele uvulela amanzi abandayo or awushozi since akadula so kubathing or uhleleka so or uzijubela uDimpho uzijubela ngireza wazijubalana awushozi angithi ngiyafika ngiyambamba umntwana wami ubandawo mpo utonya or awushozi la ngabona khona ukuthi buphilo it's very precious awushozi ngaze ngambiza umntwana ubandampo uthi ngafonela uma friend ngathi ma friend ngicela ukuthi uzongibonisa umhlolo ngiyacela uthi ngabe sengihleli lapha yana ngimdonse ebhavini or kimgugile kimmeli mo I'm trying ukuthi ngiyamhoma because uyabanda umntwana ucinile uSteve awushozi silo senkile ngasalasha jilewo azange ngakhala kangaka impilo yami uthi ngasikhidla isililo ngakhala awushozi ngiyona oripe uthuthumela like umfuzi wakho usheke ngathi bola kunesnow khona like ufreeze uthi ngakhala uthi uma ka friend makafika uyambamba uthi uchecka umntwana uyambuza ukuthi umntwana akasekho emhlabeni or awushozi antware alele athi ngicela ungiboleke ifoni yakho sifonele umhusband yakho before sifonela amaphoyisa uthi awushozi ke motho uphini ashiwo akisakhona utlogela ngwana or ake khona utlogela ngwana I'm crying my lungs out uthi ufriend friend afonele my husband afonele amaphoyisa a check ama family members afonele ekhaya or asosinskile uje mola or ke metsi because ngimguke ngambeka phansi la kucole khona amanzane gas uthi ngimanzi umntwana umanzi or angazi ngenze uthi ngakhala awushozi kala ka utlwa humile ka utlwa khathala ke sinale moya kube ngathi ngiyasuffocate ukhale ngakhala lelo langa or ungasikudala kufika amaphoyisa kufika abantu be-forensic bafike ambulance vele kube ukuthi vele umntwana bamconfirmele ukuthi ushonile umntwana ke sebayamphutha ke bayamthatha or awushoze artsatsile no tla re gona le motho a fihleng antsha di battery ngaba ngathi ngiba irobot elingana ama battery are nekutlwa ka mothong ya ka golla botse sounds because of bengazi ukuthi ngiyahlanya or ngizohlanya uthi awushozi maka friend angithathe athi angoba la sekwisini asambe siye endlini kwami and then sizolinda umyeni wakho then uyozositshela ukuthi from there senzani because the husband now it is no ngiyabuya I'm on my way or awushozi sambe sikika mngani asifika lapha yana uthi vele ngifike vele angivulelele vele amanzi uri ungiphakele overnight bag from le endlini yali pyjama and stuff or awushozi kitsene ku bathroom ngiqhaphe or ngeze lokuthi angisakhoni uthi uma ngamngani asola angicheck right uzogodola phuma emanzini or awushozi me ola neke mtsiba true mntonami but uthando angiphelona nesupport uthi nami ngilika makala gore motho ungitreata ngathi ngisisi wakhe angangazi personally uthangithatha angibeke empedeni athi try to sleep ngizokupha amapilisi or awushoza amfadi pilisi kanwa kalala uthi bengasikulala ukuthi uyala robale ufeeling upha for hobe ngare nthono lora uthi uma ukuthi ubheke ifoni yakho kanle ndaba vele iqiniso uthi usikhihle futhi uthi lebe reality yami ngalala kwasa awushozi awisa my husband wabe uthi naye uyafika ke makafika abese sathathana siya endlini hayo confirm everything siya umucharing ro checka ngwana ro confirm everything ngwana kena ngwana uqokofetsi acele vele abantu abazodina baklina amanzi baklina endini because of now we need to prepare phela for umncwabo uthawushozi makubhizi kusakliniwa endlini ama family members wami nawo afikile ama family members husband yami afikile remagates phela or ngwana uyibulayile isihloko so ilo or ngwana uphila soft life bana babantu bayilorang ikilo bona uthi ayibelo kuyaphuthiwa awushozi urwatse bamotho aqokofetsi izimpahla zakhe zakhisha oldropin sifake ama plastic namnyama khomzotri roots uthi vele kube ukuthi uma mkhulu ufuna ukuskip ngithi you know what I prefer ukuthi ngimna kube yimi personally engizophutha shilihlolam engizophutha impahla zomntwana uthi vele bangiallow ngibatshe ukuthi ngicela ungiallow space for me ukuthi ngiyenze lokho ngiyiwani uthi vele everyone aphume endlini or awushoze vele ngibe ngiqale vele nya from a dressing table like vele ngiyabutha ngisusa zonke izinqobo empedeni ngiyabutha litlhako ngiyabutha uthi ngifika uldropin awushoze uldropin bekhlala amajini omntwana like phambili in front and then la move la ngisho bona uldropin ufaka izimpahla la emuva kuba negap nyana encane le esalayo lo mhlese amajini la ngisho umnyango amajini ayavela amavula umnyango and then la egcineni soko drop kuba nespace esincane uthi umntwana nami awusho sinanal diary enangwala everything the emotions njengazi feel every trauma kayidlula emhlabeni nangwala everything uthi awusho ngithathele incwadi ngihlale phansi ngifunde uthi ngithathe incwadi ngifunde idiary or awushozi ngifunde from ecaleni yabona ngiphandlekile yazi ngifunde from ekuqaleni abhale the way angithanda ngakhona, the way angwali uqale abhala ngami like more friend page wakhe the life we-eriphilangi, abhale ngezinto ezi-exciting sizenza together, abhale ngama-school drives esihambayo, abhale the way vanigibheta katengi, the way ngi-dramatic ngakhona, the way ngithanda ngakhona ukuthetha for izinto ezihlesi like izitsha like angwalile like notlare ubangwa labo philwa bahayo. Afike-ke abhale ngobabakhe ora ushoza kubabakhe abhale ukuthi ngiyabe ngiyamthanda lo muntu bekangithanda andirela everything abhale-ke ukuthi nge-27 tsa October 2020 mangmang abhale ukuthi that was the first time ubaba ongikhumulisa ngabangcono. Abhala awushozi gore no go letsatsile ke baba ha ambreaka ka bona bo virgin awushozi umntwana wami angibheka leso sikhathi umntwana bekana 13. Abhala diwe umwabakhe wamenza lezi zinto means are ungwadile every detail or ayenza or awushozi angwala or bangifunda bengabelieve uthi abhale the second time namenze khona, abhale the third time, abhale the fourth time, abhale the 6 7 8 9 10, abhale 11 12. Lesa sikhathi ngizobabamba bekusile kulobo 12 amenze izinto amenze zona. Abhale ukuthi umamami wasibona but akasisho, instead ukuthi abuze umyeni wakhe amconfronte ukuthi mina awushozi lapha le khona ukuthi I blame my mother wayengikhethela ubaba so akabona bekangamboni ukuthi baba mungenza so, even though bekambona azange amconfront nakabotsebotse like shoot mina ngizalelwe la ukuthi ubaba mozongenza so. I fear ukuthi ngizoba pregnant because of ubaba bekabhiza athi ungapreek every time angenza lokho athi ungapreek bala ukuthi I'm just a child but papa kaluthena ngenza zona asitsona or ashows ukhuluma le way bekamenza ngakhona ditayela awu iqisa ngwana kakateni ditayela or awushozi I didn't know ukuthi igrief umntwana or igrife kelele hore umuntu okishara ngilena mpeto umbetrayele angi hlemulwe umntwana or awushozi nekisa believe or nekisa believe but angisangiza kuphathi leyana bali each and every detail ukuthi ngimbonile ngasuspecta. I kept on asking her why ngibuza yena why ngabuzi my husband I don't know bona angwala that part that chapter bekayibhala ngeanger or awushozi I broke down ngakhala or ngakhala ngascreama lokhu serious uthi ngakhala babe sebavulumya ukuthi kanti yini or abavulumya ngathatha ngafihla lencwadi ngawutabuka uthi bathe eyekela bazochubeka abanye buzocambalala or awushozi akicambalala buku nekithwere kalzogo bengiphethe ngesandla cause ki evidence yangwana hore ntate umelitseng or awushozi inhliziyo yami ibebuhlungu ngasahlale kisabona ukuthi ke prepare lihu or ke prepare robula ya monna uthi izinto bezithu uthi ndoda mayifika after bangitshela ukuthi bengiscream eromini mayifika ukulona like moto umono wasuspect ukuthi you know something but akasisho uthi bekayenza kanjalo uthi abhisi alright makadimpo alright or awushozi abulela so nonkari ngamklinya ngimbambe ngimbulale nomuntu lo cause it shows ukuthi uyazi ukuthi umntwana usibulaleni uthi siprepare umncwabo awushozi umntwana angcwatshwe umncwabo phele abantu bahambe usale mina na the help naye sale si-thread or awushozi ngimbuze one time ukuthi lela langa ngokubona ukuthi usibheli broku uthi umphumenzeni uthi umuntu vele aqale vele acasa ngithi hey don't start ungaphinde usenze izinto ozenzayo ngithi ulimpumenzeni khuluma ukuthi umenzeni into engifuna kuphela uthi umuntu vele kube ukuthi uyajamba ora ushozi buthale bokebelitseng ngithethela ama page lawo umntwana amakhuluma ngayo uthi ngithethela ama page ngayenza ama copy wonke la khuluma khona ngobabakhe konke la khuluma ngama incident ayenzekile la khuluma ukuthi nale tayila bekamenzisa zona zonke nga printer yonke into uthize makasala ngabe sengimnikeza lama page or awushoza uthize makafunda nje akabona iheading yokucala uthi umuntu wabapheli uthi umuntu wami akasingumuntu omhlophe umuntu argilaba muswe same time makabona ukuthi ulimpupha le everything or awushoza ngiyambona ukuthi umuntu uyashake or ke bona umuntu uwashake asakhona ichachazela uthukiwe uthi ngimthe ukuthi is either you confess now or nalona police station, it's up to you. Or awushoza my husband had to confess to everything axolisa athi mina bekisaliboni bengaziboni kuba ngathi there's something like ke ba possessed or impotse or it's antwi asenna ke kupela tsore or awushoza bengisho ukuthi ngizoya emaphoyiseni or bekile sure ke tloya emaphoyiseni motho I drunk umfundo ayibitse ngwanaka uthi but ngithiza ngibheka around I don't have anything under my name kinale everything a luxury but akina anything eling registered under my name so ngizinto sibhalise ngomyeni and mina nomyeni masicela uhlala because of nanekile bengisebenzela ngeadmin ine diploma wangitshela kahle athi mina ngifuna igold digger ngifuna ukuthi if ngithanda mina nawo sizosayina iprenup kukhomba ukuthi wona you are not with me because of imali or awushoza nako tse because of our stupid and naive ngayisayina uthi ngize mangihlala phansi ngicabanga ukubambisa lo muntu lo or awushoza ngabona ugodwana nakali plastic sakatsikile nkathona komtsingo because ayikho into engayiclaima akusena nomntwana ukuthi wazothi nomntwana manje ukuthi nimshare awuna selo so mina basically akina selo because kudala ngawuyeka nomsebenzi iminyaka nyaka or awushoza azange ngiluvula icala uyangizwa azange ngaluvula icala ngathi decide ukuthi ngizohlala nomyeni wami or awushoza this thing iyantorment iyanja every day athi ngifila ukuthi sometimes mangihleli or ke Robert ngifila ngathi umntwana wami yangibiza uthi mama woza or kids amayile therapy it's not helping ngiyafila ukuthi umntwana wami lana khona uyangibiza uthi mama woza mina ukuthi nama should kill myself ngimlandele or awushoza akithi borketse jwang the husband azange ngimbuphise uthi mangimuphisa ngiyoluza yonke into tshwantse ke bele gae akena mereko uthi I've been searching for umsebenzi ever since sinokuje umntwana but umsebenzi angawutholi or awushoza motho owabona ke batho motlohela akasangiphi imali akusana card yaka petrol ichela kena full tank anyaka akinyaka something uyangibuza ukuthi ngizele nani uyathenga or awusho akisayigreya cash in my hand cash ekigreya ingala ngikire umfile wanga kibo 500 rand yangiphile kuphela lokho kunye angina next akena selo uthi ngihlala ngihlala nendoda yangilengolela umntwana maze wasibulala on top of mona okushonya korobala lena kelumele korobala lena after everything I did relate what I was just I feel empty what can everything any woman can wish for but I can enjoy nix uthi ngafisa ukuthi ngahlala emkhukhwini gibele peace but kuyachaba kinale fear of the unknown ko survive ka jwang because I got used to this lifestyle angina magama yazi oh yo siphile emhlabeni la money it's more important siphila emhlabeni la impilo yomuntu khona ku exchange for izinto nezbenefita wena and kubhlungu ngoba now she cannot enjoy anything anayo because of the decision ayitsering ka bophelo ba ngwana gagwe sisi mina ngina advisors I can advise like I'm so shattered ukuthi umntwana kwishile iproof it's there but when you fail to act kuleyo proof usavumela umuntu wahlukumeza umntwana wakho umvulela amathanga. Hi bye bye guys.